What's up, people? Know your boy TK there. And as you can see, this not really title of video. This title, sadly. I swear. Say today when I post a video yesterday. Yesterday night evening post a video. Share a video today. See a girl really look by me and say, say you're not gonna away. Which me I fight hard, cause struggle is real, man. I swear. When she look by me and say me not gonna away, I swear. To how I feel really sad, feel bad. Even I wonder if me really have if fans them out there like that and thing. So if none of my fans them are none of loyal supporter them, where I watch this. See and feel how I really feel. Want to know comment and tell me what I'm supposed to do. Cause right now I swear I feel like I want to delete everything off of my channel. Delete my channel. Just forget about YouTube. Cause likewise it take a lot. You see me? It take a lot. Cause you have to edit. You still have to promote. Yeah? It take a lot. And it go hard for somebody just look upon you as a hard working person. Try so hard, which more while you don't even have time to do certain things, but still, say you have to try share to people, make people start know about the video and thing. You see, and still, you still have some people where say, yo, nah, gonna away. Nah, gonna away. Literally, I dey on YouTube like for a year. Month, 1 month and counting. You see, likewise, I feel like I could have get monetized already, but things did go backwards on a level. My phone did kind of get knocked when we usually video and edit pan. I did end up having to cut off certain people. You see, certain things, what if bad things happen? You see me? Right now, one of the bad things that will happen, we did a little animation and fight. You see, so people, if you really want to know one of the bad things where did really happen, we did sit back and never that post or nothing like that. You can just look down in the description. I go see it, I go just drop it in down there. So you just look. Tell me one thing. Tell me if I'm supposed to delete the video then. Just forget about YouTube or whatever. Because I try hard enough and I still not get the support on a level. Because we have a 50% of people who watch the video are 30 to 25% sometimes. Based on, as you can see right now, they like 3,000 subscribers. And if we did have 3,000 people I watch every one of my video they want to post, oh my, would that feel nice? So sometimes it just seems like you have some people who just subscribe. Just subscribe, so because they maybe just watch a one video and then they not afford back. I don't know why, and it take a lot of pressure. So people, when you make me know if my video they funny, they have a vibe, they lit. Tell me what you think about them. Let me know what go on in the comment section. Let me feel how you feel and tell me what I'm supposed to do. If I'm supposed to continue, stop, try something new, because a lot of things out there. You see me? A lot of things out there. And right now, I do this from my heart. I'm a focus, I do it from the bottom of my heart, I swear. So, more while when this girl you know I go look for me and say, you're not going to reach no way. You're not going to make it and thing. I kind of feel hurt, I swear. It grieve me. Even one night time, I even look for me and I say, I'm going to delete WhatsApp. You see, delete all social media and all of them things there. Then I go so boom and post on my WhatsApp status and say, I'm going to delete the video them, I'm going to delete WhatsApp and thing. And you have like one couple of people where link me in my inbox and ask me, what go on and thing, you see. So still you have real people out there where I say, if you still continue, but the viewers them we have view right now, want them to tell me what to think, if we should have continue or what. You see me? Yeah man, so I post a video as soon as possible if you tell me if I continue. But if you decide to have to continue, you just tell me in the comment section. So we not have to post no more video. We just left it